Hey friends, if you want to present your candidature or portfolio in a modern way, it is a good idea to create a portfolio CV resume website. And these websites can help you in getting more job interview or sharing the links of your interview to prospective clients. Using WordPress, you can create a CV resume or portfolio website very easily. And we are creating wonderful sites using WordPress on this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple yet modern and full-featured CV or resume, and even it can be a portfolio website very easily without having any technical knowledge or having any developer assistance. We are going to use a very dedicated WordPress theme ShiftCV for this purpose, which is a blog, resume, portfolio WordPress theme. So, we are going to create any of these layouts, and these all layouts has a very dynamic look, and you can present your CV and the resume, portfolio, whatever you want for presenting on the web in a remarkable manner. So without any delay, let us start creating this, and during the video I'm going to share more about this theme and installation process, and even you have more choices in terms of CV resume theme on this channel, and you are watching the biggest YouTube channel for comparing WordPress themes and WordPress resources. So I am sure you are going to subscribe this channel. So let us begin, and I am going to create this wonderful website. So I have in fact 7 options that we can target with the theme that we are going to use Shift CV. So I am ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress that I just installed using this WordPress manager by Softaculous. You need to take a basic hosting plan for making your website that is available at a very nominal price at WP Themes website, and you can easily install WordPress core using this option. So okay, it is here, and the website is looking like this with the default WordPress theme, where we are going to install the Shift CV WordPress theme to make our target website. So in the theme pack, I have this installable theme file. The child theme is also included, and documentation licensing part is also here. So we are going to use this one, which is showing 14.5 MB in size. Okay. So to install the theme, we can simply head to the appearance section, and for the themes, and we can add new theme here. Add new theme, upload theme, and here we need to choose the installable theme file. That is shift-cv.zip. Only this. Don't try to upload the complete folder, and it will take a while depending upon your host and internet speeds, and theme is well optimized, and it is below 15 MB, so which is a very moderate size for WordPress themes. But yes, it may seek some time. Okay, so theme got installed successfully. We can go to the theme page, and at this page we can check the version that we are using. So it is always important to use the latest version of the theme pack. So along with the default theme 2025, now we have the ShiftCV, which is version 3.0.14. So I'm using the latest as on date. You have to check where at the theme forest through the video description link for the latest version where you can buy the theme pack. So as I said, you have options to compare themes. Don't take haste decision. You have many choices. Don't worry. Okay, right. So we can activate the theme, and further we are here at the welcome screen, as generally begins from the ThemeREX themes. And so ThemeREX being the developer of this theme, original developer. So we can simply install this additional plugin, which is a required plugin. So ThemeREX add-on plugin is being installed, and it is installed now, and we can activate it. Upon activation, we are here at another welcome page, and the theme is activated with the plugin. Okay, so we need to install the plugin first. So select a scheme for your website, install and activate recommended plugins, and import demo data, start customizing your theme. So this is the steps, and this screen is also showing the hosting status. That should be all correct here. So we can simply start setup here by clicking on this button, and here we can choose our desired scheme. So by default, the first one is selected, and you have all the choices. You can check the demo, and 7 layouts are here. So I'm proceeding with this, and let us move for next. So the next screen is showing the required plugins that we need to install, and we can simply select all and click on install and activate. So the plugin installation process is going on, so it may take a while. So allow the system to install the themes like Elementor is the page builder that had been used with the theme. Contact Form 7 as usual is here. And the last one is Essential Grid that is being installed. It hardly took 1 minute for me, and it should be same for you as well. Essential Grid. I wish to show you the exact timing it is taking, so this is why I'm not pausing this thing actually. And you can see all plugins have been successfully installed and all is green now, and we can move for next. And at this screen, we need to select the demo content. So we can select here what we actually wanted to import on our installation, like only selected pages, forms, and sliders. And for fresh installation, it is recommended to go for whole demo data content, and even you can go for selected things what you want actually. So I'm going with the whole demo import, and it is going to be the easiest for me. And even you can go for this. So by default, all is selected here. So we can simply start import here, and the screen is showing next. Post, theme options, plugin setting, widgets, media items, and thumbnails. So media items may take a while, however, it is going so fine and super fast. And now the thumbnails are being imported, and it is hardly going to take few more seconds. So the process is very simple. You don't need any technical assistance or attention for doing all these things. So even if you need any support, simply write in the comment section or join the iCreate program. It is a very interactive program for creating WordPress website. You can directly chat with a mentor to get help and support, and you can complete your website with the help of mentor. Right. So it is on 45%. It is taking a while, and I'm sure we are going to get a very wonderful CV resume or portfolio website after this. Now it's 73 and now all done. It is actually super fast, so it hardly took 1 minute for me. And before you proceed to quick setup, the page must be reloaded. Okay, so we can simply reload this page. And at this screen, we have quick setup options like we can choose the accent color and the accent color 2, and rest of the basic things like use site name as logo. We can even upload our own logo, and we can simply save options for all these, and we can define for checking our new website. So here you can customize the basic settings of your website for editorial customization or theme options. All good. So I'm eager to refresh this page to check our new portfolio website or CV website, whatever we can say, and it is going to be super. Okay, well done. So my new website is here, and even I can change the switch to the dark mode. So the mode selection is here, and I got all the stuffs. My resume, definitely I can change the contents here, the download option, the print option with the resume, and the portfolio area where I can upload my portfolio in the grid and the different segments, the testimonials, and even the contact. So it is a full presentation, like social links are here, and it is simple to the point for a CV or resume website. So what I believe, simplicity is the best, and you can go with this theme. Now, so I'm going to show you the backend again to give you the idea how you can customize the content. And now you can take a decision about buying this thing. So this is ShiftCV, which is a dedicated theme for blog, resume, portfolio, and it is of course a WordPress theme, and you are going to use WordPress core, that is free CMS for creating your website. The theme cost is $69. I believe it is worth taking in $69 because you are going to get the quality checked by Envato itself. I'm in the theme forest. The future updates for this theme, it is really important, and even 6 months support from the ThemeREX, who are the original developer of this theme and even Power Elite author at themeforest.net. They are very good name. ThemeREX is a brand name, in fact, in making WordPress theme and WordPress resources. The theme particularly came into existence in 2013, and regular updates for this theme is also going on. So ShiftCV is a contemporary, responsive, and modern resume portfolio with personal blog WordPress theme. It combines simple and clean design with a flash, colorful and refined display solution. And it has got a good number of sales and good reviews from its existing users. So you have all the reason to select this theme. However, I am saying compare other themes as well. At least 10 themes you can find on this channel itself for the same blog or resume website. So you have full option to choose and compare things, and then only you can take your buying decision. Once you buy the theme through the video description link, that is an affiliate link given in the video description, you can join the iCreate program for free, and you can get all the supports for creating your WordPress website here with the help of Mentor. You can simply join the program by clicking on the Start Project or Join Program button. So this is all for you. Now, this time, I'm going to show you what is available again in the backend. So we have already seen the basic settings that is available in the quick setup option. And next is the ThemeREX add-ons. In case if you need any additional add-ons, it is here. So you can choose the multiple add-ons and multiple settings. However, for this simple website, you don't need multiple things. However, it is available. API is here. Socials, you can get the connections up. Of course, you can update the links of social here. And short codes you can get like scroll to anchor, update location from anchor and all. Extended taxonomy and the theme specific details and the settings can be done here. Next, we have theme options where even we can go for the basic settings. We have already seen these settings. So logo, the logo for mobile and the logo for side menu, and the general settings like page width and the remove images, remove margins and sidebar gap. All these basic settings you can explore here. Header and footer area, front page builder. So it is very good. So in case if you are willing to handle the front page, I'm in the home page from this area. You can check all the details. You can edit all the details from here as well. This is from front page builder, which is very good feature in ThemeREX designs. Blog, typography and colors and your control. Further, we have the simple things like generally remains in the WordPress website. We have layout option. We can choose the layout, perspective layouts, and we can update the settings. Like if you are willing to change the resume details, you can simply open the edit with Elementor option, and you can simply start changing your text here. So it is very simple and easy to use. Simply click on the area that you want to edit and change the credentials here. So just keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image and same length of text so that you will maintain the design integrity. Rest things are very common, so like testimonials and basic things. So essential grid is also here just in case if you are going to use this. However, it is active what is being used at your website. All good, all simple, and you can go with this, and you don't need any technical assistant for doing all these things. Moreover, we are here through the comment section. You can ask question, or even it is a good idea to start a direct chat with a mentor so that you may get all the solutions for your WordPress website. So I believe I have shown you much of the things about this ShiftCV, and in the next video I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Successful and performing websites can be made here with the help of mentors with the iCreate program. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.